Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, ẹ̀bẹ̀ ni mo bẹ̀, ẹ dáríjì mí. Mo mọ̀ wípé mo ti ṣe àṣemọ́ṣe. Kò yẹ kí n wà lára àwọn tí yóò tún máa gbé ìjọba èyí tó wà ní orí oyè lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí sókè àbí gbé wọn ga, torí wípé wọ́n ti fìgbà kan jáde rí láti wá jẹ́ agbẹnusọ fún àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà látàrí bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Eku ò ké bí eku, ẹyẹ ò ké bí ẹyẹ. Gbogbo nǹkan ò lọ bó ṣe yẹ kó lọ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Kò wá yẹ kó jẹ́ èmi ó ní wọ́n tún wá bá láàrin àwọn tí wọ́n yin ìjọba tó wà ní orí oyè báyìí. Kò yẹ kó jẹ́ èmi ó ní wọ́n wá bá lára àwọn tí ó wà tún máa wọ aṣọ wọn tí ó máa jáde láti wá káriwo kí àwọn èèyàn ó dìbò fún wọn. Eléyìí tí mo ṣe yìí ó jẹ́ nǹkan àbànújẹ́, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ò yẹ kí n ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n lábẹ́ bó ti wulẹ̀ kórí, mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ó mọ̀ wípé ẹnikẹ́ni ò sanwó fún mi, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni èmi ò gbawó lọ́wọ́ pátì kankan kó tó di wípé mo jáde láti sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n kò yẹ kí n sọ. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé n tí mo sọ kì í ṣe bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe gbà á, òun ni mo ṣe sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n lábẹ́ bó ti wulẹ̀ kórí, gbogbo ohun tí mo bá ṣe, gbogbo ọ̀nà tí mo bá gbà wí, gbogbo ọ̀nà tí mo bá gbà sọ, mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá kí wọ́n ṣe àforíjì fún mi. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló jáde lẹ́nu actor Aremu Afolayan níbi tó ti darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ APC níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe campaign ẹ̀yìn tèmi. Láwọn èèyàn bá bẹ́ síta ni wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣépè fún Aremu Afolayan, ni wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wọ́ lọ́tún lósì wípé dájúdájú èèyàn burúkú ni, dájúdájú alátẹnujẹ ni, wọ́n ní ṣe ló ti gbowó ẹ̀yìn tèmi. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé Aremu Afolayan ó lóun ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni ò sanwó fún òun kó tó di wípé òun jáde láti wá sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n lábẹ́ bó ti wulẹ̀ kórí, ó lóun ò fẹ́ wí àwíjàre, ó nítorí pé ibi tó yẹ kí àwọn èèyàn bóun kọ́ ni wọ́n bóun. Fún ìdí èyí, gbogbo aṣọ èyí tó ń gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn APC àti fùlà wọn, ó ní ṣe lòun lọ dáná sun kí gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá kó ṣe àforíjì fún òun, torí wípé n tóun ṣe yìí gan ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ ìbànújẹ́ fún òun tó sì jẹ́ wípé òun ò ní ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ pẹ̀lú bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń ṣépè fún òun lọ́tún lósì tí gbogbo ayé ń pè òun wípé ibi tí wọ́n bá òun yìí kò yẹ kí wọ́n bá òun níbẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn tèmi. Nínú fídíò yìí, Aremu Afolayan ó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí èmi àti yín ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Aremu sọ nínú fídíò náà.
My name is Aremu Afolayan and I am so sober this morning. I am very sober. First, to all Nigerians, all well-wishers, all the people that wish this country goes better, ẹ dáríjì mí, I am sorry. First, before I say anything, I am sorry. Ẹ wò, ẹ dáríjì mí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. No. Èpè yìí pọ̀ o. Èpè yìí pọ̀ o. Mi dẹ̀ṣẹ̀ o. Mo kọ̀ go wrong ni. Mo go wrong. Mo pick nǹkan tí ó yẹ kí n pick. And I am seriously sorry. So first, two narration is going on social media, which is pé mo gba owó. Mi gba owó rárá. My heart is heavy and I have hurt a lot of Nigerians deeply. Ẹ dákun, ẹ foríjì mi. Ẹ dákun, ẹ foríjì mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. You know what? I didn't take money from anyone. No, at all. The second narration is about insecurity. It is so obvious that insecurity is in town, is everywhere in Nigeria, and the government are not doing anything about it. But what I was trying to say in the video, what I was trying to say in the video is, tí ẹ bá rí anybody tó sọ pé hey wọ́n bọ̀ láti bíbá yìí o, and someone in the news is telling you, don't worry, nothing is happening, be calm, ẹ má dá lóhùn o. Don't answer that person because that person is reading a script. That was all I was trying to say. That don't answer that person because the person saying, be calm, everything will be fine. In a script, somebody told him or her to read. I am sorry, Nigerians. What I was saying in essence is, insecurities in Nigeria. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ń ka script fún yín pé don't worry, everything will be fine is lying. The person is lying because it's obvious that there is insecurity. My best friend's mother was kidnapped. I am not supposed to bring this matter here. She was kidnapped, we paid. How will I say there is no insecurity? We didn't bring this out because we had the payment from millions of people because we all didn't have. What I was saying about insecurity is if anyone is reading a script on television telling you don't worry, everything is fine, they are not doing anything in any place, it's a lie. You run away because there is obviously something wrong, but that person is saying what they want him to say. Ẹ dákun, ẹ foríjì mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. In fact, due to this heat and every course I've gotten, I am telling you right now, Nigerians, that I am in my very, very low stage, sober, to my people, because my people come first and you are my people. You've supported me through my career as an actor. You've supported my business, my 2 businesses. It's not the government that supports my business, it's you. I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Insta blog, all the gist lover, all of you that just made all this thing so terrible. I understand you are doing your job. Thank you. I take all this blame. I take it. I am really sorry. All of you. Everyone that matters to me sees me and say, oh, Aremu Afolayan, I like you. So for this, I know your choice is not Tinubu or the regime of Tinubu. Of course, I am withdrawing everything about. In fact, what I went to do is just to call Lege. I like this thing you brought up because right now we can now talk to our local government chairman directly and hold them accountable. That was why I went for that, not the other way around. I'm sorry, Nigerians. Please forgive me, please. I'm withdrawing myself. Anything that has to do with politics, anything that has to do with politics, I'm withdrawing and I'm standing with you, my people. Please forgive me. Moyo, please, all of those caps, all those accessories, just go throw them off into the garbage. I don't care. I don't want to have anything to do with this again. Again, I repeat, Mami, Baba mi, ẹ̀yin àbúrò mi, ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ní orí social media, ẹ dákun. Please, my people, tell me, yes, ẹ bínú sí mi, but ẹ bá mi apologize to more people called dáríjì mi. To all my Igbo friends that called me and said, Aremu, you shouldn't have said that. I said, I didn't do anything. They only read it wrong. They only read what I said wrong. They listened to it wrong. What I was saying is, if anyone is telling you, because my Igbo friends call me, 3 of my Hausa friends said, Aremu, they are really bashing you. I said, if an Hausa man can call me, that means this thing is everywhere. That means Moti share Nigerians. I am sorry. As in, from the depth of my heart, I am sorry. Please forgive me, please. And I'm withdrawing, as in with my full chest. I am withdrawing and standing with you people, because that's what I have been doing right from time. Edakun, Emabino, Edakun. Please, Moyo, throw away all these things. I don't ever want to have anything to do with this. Igbo, Yoruba, and the Hausas that look into me, patronize my business, a job. No, I know other bad people will be looking at me and laughing now, but I understand their time will come too. But for me, I raise up my hand. I'm hands off anything that has to do with this government. Ejo, Emabino. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Abẹ́rí báyìí, ọ̀rọ̀ ló délé yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tiẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ṣe àṣìṣe, tó sì mọ̀ wípé òun ṣàṣìṣe, tó jáde láti wá tọrọ àforíjì lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ayé, lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Ó nítorí wípé òun mọ̀ wípé tí ìjìyà rẹ̀ bá dé, ó ní gbogbo àwọn pátápátá òun làwọn ò jẹ́ níbẹ̀. Ó lóun mọ̀ wípé àwọn tí wọ́n sì tún ti ṣe bí òun, tí àwọn jọ wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèré, àwọn mọ̀ wípé ọjọ́ náà ń bọ̀, òun lolúwa wí, táwọn náà padà wá ṣe ń tóun ṣe yìí. Ó ní kó tó pẹ́ jù, òun ló fà á tóun fi jáde. Fúndìí èyí, àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà, ọ̀rọ̀ ló délẹ̀ yìí. Kí ni ká ṣe sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí? Torí wípé ní tèmi o, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè ṣe àṣìṣe. Aremu Afolayan, òun ló sì mọ ìdí èyí tó fi darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ APC. Òun ló sì tún mọ ìdí tó fi wò wípé kò yẹ kó wọ́n bá òun níbi tí wọ́n bá òun yìí. Ó sì ti jáde láti wá ṣe àtúnṣe. Fúndìí èyí, mo rọ gbogbo wa pátápátá, ẹ jẹ́ ká dáríjìn gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe sọ, torí wípé èmi ò lérò wípé ó yẹ kí àwọn èèyàn kó wá máa ṣépè fún ẹbí rẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe jáde tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí. Torí wípé Aremu Afolayan, òun kọ́ ni ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, òun kọ́ ló ba Nàìjíríà jẹ́, kódà kò tiẹ̀ tán mọ́ ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà bó ti wulẹ̀ kó mọ̀. Fúndìí èyí, ọ̀rọ̀ ló délẹ̀ yìí. Kí ni tí ẹ lérò wípé ó yẹ kí àwọn èèyàn ó ṣe? Ṣó yẹ kí àwọn èèyàn máa ṣépè fún Aremu lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí ó tún ti jáde láti wá tọrọ àforíjì? Gbogbo ìdáhùn yín ẹ fi sí orí comment section. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ sọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ jọ gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe jọ mọ̀ ṣe. Ire o.